Hello, this is Ankita Samal, a third semester student of Journalism and Mass Communication of Central University of Odisha. Today I am going to discuss about an important topic which is the socio-economic factor and we need to concern about it. And the topic is the Happiness Index 2020 where India has ranked 133rd and the Finland which is topped. So here I am going to putting some light on the thing is happiness is really important for the development of the country or not. So here we go. So basically, according to the United Nations Sustainable Development Solution Network 2020, Finland is the happiest country all over the world, and at the same time India is losing its position by 133rd position, which is comes under the least happiest in all over the world. Finland is the 10 times smaller than India and also not overpopulated country. So what is the need of the comparison and discussion? We need to focus on it because India has 130 crore of population, which is very vast than the Finland, or we can take Norway as like that because Norway is second position. So Finland is the first most happiest country all over the world. So what is the matter of the discussion? First thing, we need to know about where they are spending their GDP. In previous year, India has placed 130th rank in Human Development Index, and this year India has ranked 132 position in Human Development Index. So at the same time, Finland placed on the topmost in SDI also, that is 12th. So that it's clearly visible that the development of nation is also depending on the happiness of the nation. So we can compare that the essential part of a country to be developed is the happiness of people are residing here. There is no doubt that Finland is a developed country and India is a developing country, but both the countries has a mixed economy system, and there is the certain things which our government and people can adopt from this country. Is the first, free and equal education. Second is the more expenditure on healthcare. Third is the Finland government take more percentage of taxes, which is 21%. At the same time, they invest in it for the public welfare, so that a person has no hesitation to pay more percent of taxes. Active participation of every citizens, low rate of corruption. Sixth, job facilities for all, stipend for new creativity. Eighth is the good hospitality to immigrants. Ninth, less vacation because they loves to work as their choice of job. And 10th is the free and hygiene health facility for the pregnancy. 11th is the average household disposal net income per capita, almost half of USA. The above things are really necessary for the country's development as equal as the happiness. Not only a weaponist country is superior, it is really a need to be care for a country's people, what a country want to be happy, and eventually it made it developed. At least it is also responsibility for a country's people, especially in democratic country, that they should actively participate in their country's growth and raise their voice whether it is essential to ask government. But in present scenario, it is severely lacking by people, representative and special media, the mainstream media we can say, and the other media are also who are spreading the fake news or the propaganda, which it need to be down by day. Otherwise the democracy, the name of democracy and the development of people will not be possible. So the importance of media is very high in this point of the situation. So hope this will be the information which will help you to know what is the condition of our country in wherever the index is, the human development index or the happiness index or the hunger index. What will be? We are dropping day by day, so it is highly necessary to wake up our the conscience to understand what is the need of our country. Thank you for listening me.